There's always lots of opportunities for unboxing videos here at Red Dragon. So we're going to do one today, and I'm kind of excited about the stuff that we've got in this box. And this is from a relatively new company called Mother Earth Labs that I'm really excited about working with. They got some really, really great stuff. So we'll take this one out of here first. Of course it's red, so it's my favorite. This is called pH Balancer, and this is a really great, just kind of all-in-one. It's got nutrition, vitamins, minerals derived from food with all the coenzymes, all the phytochemicals that your body needs in a very bioavailable form. There's all this talk about methylation pathways and your body's ability to absorb vitamins. Well, this covers all that ground. So if you do have some inhibition in being able to absorb something, this is going to be a way that your body can get it and use it. So that's really, really good stuff. And it tastes good, and it's really easy to do, just an ounce a day. So I really like this one. So that's pH Balancer. Okay. What do we got in here next? Oh, probiotics. I mean, what do I need to say about probiotics? Everybody needs them. We're really deficient in them. They can solve a lot of problems, both physical and emotional, in our body. And you need a good one. This one is like one of the best out there because it actually is guaranteed on the shelf. Most of them are just guaranteed once they manufacture it. This one is guaranteed on here and then in here. So really, really good quality. This is going to be a heavy hitter in my practice. This is like their gut restore formula for leaky gut, gut dysbiosis. All the stuff that's going on here, this really helps. It's also kind of a multivitamin. It's not only got great stuff just to gently heal, soothe the gut, restore the balance necessary to get the good flora in there, get rid of the bad flora. It's also got some good nutrition in here that your body's going to need as it's healing itself. It's really easy to do. Again, just a scoop in some water, drink it down. It's got a good vanilla flavor. Again, like I said, it's going to be a heavy hitter, so I really like this one. What is next in here? Oh, magnesium. Again, what more do I need to say about magnesium? Kind of everything in your body is dependent on magnesium. It's an incredibly important mineral for energy, relaxation, for sleep, for mood, for digestion, for nutrient assimilation, vitamin D processing, like a ton of stuff, okay? And we need 7 forms, or we use 7 forms in our body. This has got all 7 forms, plus some other nutrients in here to help your body utilize that magnesium to its most fullest. So really good product. People are loving this for sleep, all right? Really helping people with their sleep, relaxation, and pain. This is great for pain and migraines. What's else in here? Oh, this is a good one. For my vegetarians, I love you guys, but sometimes it can be hard to get good protein in your body. This is a really good formula that tastes great. My staff is testing it for me, and they seem to like it, so thumbs up on that. And it's just really important to get the protein you need because that informs everything going in your body. Your body's dependent on protein for function, neurotransmitters, cell repair, etc., etc. Protein's really important, so you need to make sure you're getting all of it in a way that your body can utilize it. So great product for people who think they may not be getting enough. And those are people who aren't healing well, who may be fatigued, who may have mood disorders, depression. That's a sign of protein deficiency. All right, folks, that's pretty much all. We got one more thing in here. Ionic magnesium, just a really quick way. This is kind of for like muscle cramps or when you need rapid recovery from magnesium and maybe a pill is going to take a little bit too long. This is a great formula for that. So it's kind of a rescue formula. I like this one too because it's a liquid, easy to take. Bam, you're better. All right, folks. See you on the next one.